Audio check. Okay, I'm just gonna stay at that menu for now.
Can you hear me?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, cool. Give me just a second. Do you want me to watch on Hitbox so there's no delay?
Twitch, whatever, it doesn't matter.
Okay. Give me a
Hitbox,
second.
but what you need to see is Twitch chat. So.
Gotcha.
I'm no longer using Deepbot either, by the way.
Oh, you changed off of Dbot too?
Oh yeah. I'm not paying $5 a month to do what? Play Arena Commander? To join arenas? Because that's really all that would be there. Drag race, maybe? I like that. But
well, the drag
Ankbot
racing is what you have to pay for because and bank heists it look like. They used to let you do bank heists for free, but that's gone now too.
But you can use Ankbot for a bank heist. And I really like Ankbot because it has a much better song system. It does have mini games, but yeah, it looks like the mini games is related to built-in betting whole system and I guess you could call it the bank heist system or the heist, whatever.
Yeah.
I call it a stash heist because my currency is stash, right? So if you look at I've done a couple of things. I simplified my overlay a lot. You see that bar on the very top? The goal? The funding goal? I fucking hate that. The only thing you can do is change colors and fonts, but it's always in your face like that. Look at the follower goals that I have. That's the follower goals are over the Twitch and Hitbox chat.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I don't have it full screen because you said you wanted me to keep into chat. But
no,
I
it's
can go
okay.
into full screen.
But the reason I really hate Twitch alerts is because that's all you get up there is that bar. And it's fucking annoying.
Yeah, I totally agree with you that if they would at least allow you to have CSS ability it would make it so much more flexible for those people that know how. For me, I don't know how, and at least their shit is stable and works. And that's the problem I had with a bunch of other ones I kept trying to use that were fairly flexible and nice and could do a lot of cool shit, but my God, they just keep fucking crapping on me. I mean, I had one go down for it crashed forever, and here it was missing donations because the damn donation page crapped out and the alerts and stuff. It was just crazy. Stupid shit like that, dude.
Was that T Notifier?
No, it was, hell, I don't remember the name of it now.
Stream
Back
Tips?
when I was on Hitbox.
Yeah.
It was something like, it was one of those little bit not quite as popular ones, but it charged nothing. So that's the reason I chose it. And then next thing you know, all of a sudden, right in the middle of one of my second biggest streams, it wasn't working and it never came back up again. And I missed a crap load of donations because of, like 5 people told me, hey, your donations aren't working. Well, that tells me 5 people tried to give me a donation and I didn't get it. And I was like, wow, that really sucked because that was like the most donations I've ever been offered in one stream. And I lost every one of them. I was like pissed. Even if they were $1 each, it's just a simple fact that 5 people said they wanted to give me a donation and I couldn't receive it. Like, fuck.
Test.
I hear you.
All right, I'm gonna go for your talk now. Yeah. So getting the alerts to work was one thing. I've been working with T Notifier in order to get 3.0 up. Right? Well, they're beta, just so you know. You can try them out, but you can use their defaults and set things up, but putting in images and making things look the way that you want them to look is heavily dependent on your ability to use CSS to create your own widgets, right? Mm-hmm. And alerts and whatnot. And for me, that's fucking ultimately perfect because I can make everything and anything look like I want. Like, I use Twitch, the T-Notifier for all of my alerts right now, except for donations, because for whatever reason last week, their donations went down too, just like the other one. And they haven't come back up.
Wow.
And I'm suspecting it's because of the API that connects to any of, because they don't actually have their own donation tool. You don't donate through them. You donate through like stream tips or support the stream or whatever. Right? And when their API fails, or this guy's connection to their API fails, it no longer works. So I stopped using his donation alerts, which forced me to use Twitch alerts because it's the only one that truly actually works. And being now that it's free, being now that it's free, it's fine. But here, this is okay. Let me get to that page because I need to open it up. Twitch alerts, right? I don't even have it in my fucking what do you call it? Like,
I've got Twitch alerts set up. It was deepbot commands is what I was having issues with. I mean, let me rephrase it. I have some Twitch alert stuff set up. I don't have all the stuff that I wanted, but I'm doing them slowly. I've been doing them. I used Twitch alert back when I was doing Hitbox, and so I'm more familiar with that than I am deepbot.
Attention, Captain. You've just received a new donation.
Okay, the only good thing about the Twitch alerts, donation alert, or their alert bars, or whatever you want to call them, there is some flexibility in being able to add your background, but I don't know if you noticed, man. You only get three possible layouts for your alerts, right? You got image on top, image, text over your image, or image on the left.
Yeah, or text inside your image.
Right. So there's no fucking custom CSS in here. Nothing. You can't do shit. And I just can't stand it. I think that's absolutely fucking stupid. But anyway.
Well, you might suggest it to him because he might be willing to, or they might be willing to add that in as a future thing, because I can't believe that they wouldn't consider it, since there's so many people that are so talented to create their own shit, and it only makes them look better if they do add it in.
Right, and there's actually talk of it in the forums, but he never gives an official response to it, other than to say, yeah, we're looking into that. And it really wouldn't be so hard. He just needs to fucking name the divs that he has in there. Give him an ID number if that's all he wants to do, or a class name, so that we can create some kind of a CSS. But what he does is he puts the style sheet right in the div itself. If you look at his source code, it says div, and then it says style, and then puts in all the CSS information, and then whatever data. Whereas if you were just to put div ID name donation, and div ID name donation dash inner text, or whatever, something, we would be able to customize all of that. But no, it doesn't do it. There is a way to play with it. You can actually put some HTML codes in your text. So if you put, like, for example, a span, and then give it an ID or a name or class, and you can create CSS for that. But other than that, that's it. You can change font styles and whatnot, but he gives you that opportunity right in his tool. But so that's fine. But anyway, to the bot. You see on the top of the screen, I use the alert system to, it now has these alerts that pop up that tell everyone what commands are available. Actually, sorry, it's on the bottom. What commands to use. So, and it's random, and they stay up there for 10 seconds.
Yeah, a few seconds, yeah.
Yeah. So, here, that one says to join Discord, type, Discord in chat. So that's what I've done. As far as all of the, where's my bot here? As far as all of the commands are concerned, I really only put in some pretty basic ones, like in chat. type in Twitter or exclamation mark Twitter.
You want me to? Okay.
Yeah, go ahead so you see what it does.
My chat window is still freaking circling. Let me reload your screen for a second.
Yeah. Or just use the this here. Use that one. Tutorials.
There you go.
Alright, so all I did is put in some really basic information, and I used the Google link shortener for all of my links, which is a good idea for you to do. So if you hit exclamation mark Twitter,
do you have the link to the Google
G-O-
shortener thing?
GOO.GL. In fact, you click when you hit Twitter, you'll see the link.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, I want to save that.
Alright, so GOO.GL, and that'll give you what you need. I didn't see my Twitter message. Am I actually login? I'm already connected. Oh, I'm in the wrong chat. I'm in yours. Alright, so when you do Twitter, you'll get the message that comes up in general chat, I think. Oh, I'm in the wrong chat.
Yeah.
I'm in yours. Right. Okay, let me turn the audio off. Alright, so that gets played to everybody. The same is true for YouTube. So you can send people to your YouTube page. That goes to everybody. Alright, here's one that's cool. If you type in hanger, exclamation mark HANGAR, whatever, no one gets to see that. That doesn't get spammed.
Hold on a second. Oh, that whispered me or something. That's cool.
Yeah, right? Alright, now.
Oh shit, what happened to it? It just disappeared. I clicked on it.
Well, it's a whisper.
There it goes.
Alright,
I shrunk it accidentally is what happened.
Ooh. And in there it says if you want to see what ships I currently own, because the hangar only shows what's in the hangar, right? Ships tells them everybody what ship I own, and watch what it does. You'll love it.
It says none of your goddamn business.
Nope.
No, I don't know what it says.
Now, I don't know if you want to do something like that because you have a lot more ships than I do. So what mine is doing is it's sending you a whisper, one ship per line. So you get one whisper per package, and it doesn't get spammed out, so we're not filling the chat full of crap. Although that may or may not be good, as far as, Twitch looking to watch your chat activity, but I think it does still count.
Oh, okay, I see. So it gives them a private list, so that way it's not blowing up your chat.
Right. CMDS is one you want to use for like.
Turned off, then it's not a big deal. Gotcha.
Right. And if you have whispers turned off, then you don't get it. And yeah, too bad.
Yeah,
I could probably say turn your
whisper.
whispers.
Is cool, dude. I've had some like your Twitter one. I've got some of my own set up similar to that. I didn't shorten the links, which I definitely need to do. But it's the ones that require, the command
permissions
inside the actions.
Well, it depends on the bot that you're using. Okay, like DeepBot, I think I'm not sure it actually uses the @ symbol, because it might use the string. I think maybe string rank. I have to go look. I'm gonna go open it up. I have it installed. Two different bot names, so I can run both bots simultaneously. Because I can use, not being a not paid for Depot anymore.
Yeah.
I don't have I don't have access to their, what do you call it?
Yeah, some of their special stuff.
Well, the game, yeah. And that's pretty much it. The raffle system works. I can use the raffle system on it. It works, but the raffle system works exactly the same in Eggbot too, so it's fine. I'm trying to find where they put their command list. Okay, there you go. So I have the same commands in Hitbox that I do in Deepbot that I do have in Eggbot, so I've disabled all the commands in Deepbot, so I'm not spamming double. Okay, so they do use the @ symbol, which is kind of dumb. Alright, so they're using @rank, @ for their stuff, and there is @ what is it? @user to get the username, @point to show you how many named their points are. What else do we have in here?
Okay, for some reason, even though I'm using the rank system and I've got it turned on, it still just says rank instead of giving me the ranks.
Right. So you have ranks set up though, right?
Yeah. I mean, it shows it on the user database what rank they are. I just used the default one that loaded up a bunch of looks like army ranks. Because I didn't feel like going in and figuring out 40-something different ranks.
Alright, so Bank Heist is apparently available, but you can't customize it, right?
I couldn't even get it to run until, yeah, see, it was grayed out. Now it's not grayed out. Let's see. Yeah, see, now it's completely, now I can customize it and it's able to go.
Yeah, you're paying, you have a sub to Depot?
Do I have a, yeah, I just now did.
Alright, so what's your sub?
Set everything up at least right, even if I'd later turn it off.
Right, with your sub you can make changes. Because I used to sub, I think mine even might still work.
Shit, yep, Bank Heist started. Do me a favor, will you go and join it? I'll refund any money you lose, dude. Or any points.
I'm not worried about it, dude.
I've got it set as raid, so type in ! raid. I'm thinking I might change that to ship raid.
Yep. What'd you call it? Ship raid?
Just type it in ! raid for now. That's what I got it. You can do a max of 250. I think you got to type in.
Welcome back. Hold on. Raid.
See if I can get. Give me just a second. I'm gonna bounce channels just for a second. Be right back.
Oh, you're doing Twerk Salt Mine?